Ever wondered how to actually get your money out of Newton? You've probably seen the ads, maybe you've dabbled in some crypto trading, and hopefully, you've even made some gains. But the big question always lingers: how do you turn those digital assets back into good old-fashioned cash? That's exactly what we're tackling today. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the often overlooked but absolutely crucial aspect of any crypto platform: cashing out. Newton, while a popular platform, can sometimes leave users a little confused when it comes to actually withdrawing their funds. So, if you're scratching your head wondering how to get your money out of Newton, you're in the right place. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's establish a few crucial things. First, this video is for informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. Crypto is a volatile market, and it's essential to understand the risks involved. Second, the process of cashing out can sometimes change, so always refer to Newton's official website or app for the most up-to-date information. With those disclaimers out of the way, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The most common way to cash out from Newton is through selling your cryptocurrency for Canadian dollars, CAD, and then withdrawing those CAD to your linked bank account. It sounds simple enough, but there are a few steps involved, and we'll break them down one by one. First, you'll need to make sure you have a verified Newton account. This usually involves providing some personal information and completing their KYC, Know Your Customer, process. This is a standard procedure for most financial platforms and is designed to prevent fraud and money laundering. If you haven't already verified your account, you'll need to do that before you can withdraw any funds. Newton will guide you through this process, and it usually involves submitting some identification documents. Once your account is verified, the next step is to actually sell your cryptocurrency. Log into your Newton account either through the app or the website. Navigate to your portfolio or holdings section. Here, you should see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Now, you'll need to decide how much of that cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can usually sell all of it or a portion of it. Enter the amount you wish to sell. Newton will then show you the current market price for that cryptocurrency and the equivalent amount in Canadian dollars you'll receive after the sale. Keep in mind that the price of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate rapidly, so the price you see at this stage might be slightly different by the time the transaction is executed. Once you've confirmed the sale, the CAD will be added to your Newton balance. Now, the final step is to withdraw those CAD to your linked bank account. Navigate to the withdrawal section of your Newton account. You'll need to have a bank account linked to your Newton account beforehand. This usually involves providing your bank account details, such as your institution number, transit number, and account number. Again, this is a standard security measure. Select your linked bank account as the destination for your withdrawal. Enter the amount of CAD you wish to withdraw. Be aware that there might be minimum withdrawal amounts and potentially some fees associated with withdrawals. Newton should clearly display any fees before you confirm the transaction. Once you've initiated the withdrawal, it usually takes a few business days for the funds to arrive in your bank account. The exact time frame can vary depending on your bank and Newton's processing times. You can usually track the status of your withdrawal within your Newton account. Now, let's talk about some common issues and things to keep in mind. One common question is about fees. Newton, like any platform, may charge fees for certain transactions, including withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the amount you're withdrawing and other factors. It's crucial to check Newton's fee schedule on their website or app so you're aware of any costs involved. Another important point is security. Always ensure you're using a strong password for your Newton account and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if available. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps protect your funds. Be wary of phishing scams and never share your login credentials with anyone. Sometimes, withdrawals can be delayed. This can happen for various reasons, such as bank processing times, high volumes of transactions, or even issues with your account verification. If you experienced a significant delay, it's best to contact Newton's customer support for assistance. They should be able to provide you with an update on the status of your withdrawal. Another thing to consider is the tax implications of selling cryptocurrency. Depending on your country's tax laws, you may be required to report any capital gains or losses from your crypto transactions. It's crucial to understand the tax regulations in your jurisdiction and consult with a tax professional if needed. Now, while withdrawing CAD is the most common method, Newton may also offer other withdrawal options, such as withdrawing certain cryptocurrencies directly to another wallet. If you're interested in this option, you'll need to have a compatible crypto wallet. The process for withdrawing crypto is similar to withdrawing CAD, but instead of selecting your bank account, you'll enter the address of your crypto wallet. Again, be very careful when entering wallet addresses, as any mistakes can result in the loss of your funds. So, to recap the process, verify your Newton account, sell your cryptocurrency for CAD, link your bank account, and then initiate the withdrawal. Remember to check for fees, enable 2FA, and be aware of potential delays. Navigating the world of crypto can be complex, but cashing out shouldn't be a mystery. By following these steps and staying informed, you can confidently access your funds from Newton. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.